rider benefit, that means on certain ages, when you turn certain ages into the policy period, instead of getting the death benefit, let's say, for instance, let's use some examples. Let's say you have a death benefit of $100,000 on the your universal life insurance policy, and it takes you to age 105, 105 years old. But you know what? You've had the policy now for, let's say, 20 years, and you've paid into the policy for 20 years, but at 20 years older, you don't need that much coverage anymore. You don't need $100,000 worth of coverage. So the guaranteed cash out rider benefit gives you all your premiums back, give you all your money back, and there's no tax requirements as a result of it. So you get all your money back tax free. Now, sometimes that could be very significant. I'm looking at a illustration right now. The lady is she is 52 years old. And she is a smoker, and her cash out benefits at age 20, let's say at 25 years into the policy, she can get over $46,000 cash back. That's what we're talking about right now. Okay, she can get over $46,000 to forfeit the death benefit and get the cash tax free. All right, tax free cash. So there are modified ways to receive a universal life insurance policy today. Instead of getting a lot of cash value, this is a unique option. It keeps the cost of insurance down, and also it gives you an opportunity at certain checkpoints in your life, starting at 15 years, 20 years, 25 years into a policy, where you can cash out, get all your premiums back, and it's tax free. Unique way to do it. I like this way to do it because sometimes things come up in life. You need that money now. All right, because I know it's $100,000 death benefit, but I can use that $30,000 or $40,000 cash out right now to pay off certain bills I have, certain expenses I have. Use that money while you're living. It's a living benefit. For more information, give me a call at 702-236-2624. Book an appointment today. I'm available today for appointments, 702-236-2624. And I'm going to say this, I will work on some Saturdays, okay? I work sometimes 6 and 7 days a week, but I'm here for you, all right? I'm here for you. Any questions, please give me a call, 702-236-2624. 702-236-2624. I almost forgot my own phone number. But, that's that Alzheimer's kicking in at my ripe age, I guess. That happens to all of us a little bit. But anyway, some good information right there, where you can use your universal life insurance policy as a living benefit. Good info. I mean, that's really, really good info because the interest rates are so low. The cash value doesn't accumulate like it used to. Back in the mid-90s when I was writing life insurance, a lot of life insurance policy, the minimum interest the life insurance policies made on the cash out, all right, was at 4%. Today it's right at 2%, all right, less than 2%. So the interest rates on the money that you put into a life insurance policy, universal life or whole life, the interest rates are a lot lower than they used to be. So this is a great alternative. The life insurance companies have come up with a unique concept how to give that benefit rider where you can get money now instead of your beneficiaries receiving it later when you're gone. So you can utilize that money today. So, take advantage of it. 702-236-2624, 702-236-2624. We have about 10 minutes left. We're going to talk about some more auto insurance because, when a person or when you go out and purchase new auto insurance, a couple things to understand when it comes to changing auto insurance companies. Now, I said this before on the show. One of the advantages that you could take is increase your liability. If you're going to change companies, increase your liability on your auto insurance, especially if you have the minimum coverages. Now, if you increase your liability, okay, if you increase your liability on your auto insurance policy, going to the new insurance company, it's going to give you a much better preferred rate. Because if you have the minimums, you're not going to get the best rate going to another auto insurance company. So my recommendation to you is increase your auto insurance liability coverage, that first line, that bodily injury. Instead of $1,530, go up to $5,100. Pay that little extra premium because transferring to the new auto insurance company will give you an additional discount. That's good information. Use it. Okay? That's good information. Don't come in with 1530 and expecting to get a better rate. Now, if you come in with 150,000 per person, 100,000 each accident to the new auto insurance company, that auto insurance company is going to recognize you're not carrying the minimum liability, and they're going to give you a much preferred rate, a better preferred rate. That's some information that you can use. Now you know it, pass it on, or just come in and see me, book an appointment, but you have to call me because I work by appointment only at 702-236-2624, 702-236-2624. Also, when you go into another auto insurance company, the new auto insurance company, you want to make sure you cancel that other auto insurance company on the effective date that the policy started with the new company. That's very, very important. The effective dates are very, very important. Do not take it for granted that we know when the policy starts if you don't provide proof. Now, the company that you're leaving may ask for proof of the new company because they want to protect themselves, because if you have an accident, let's say you're insured with both companies on the same day. If you have an accident on that day, right, and both insurance companies are insuring you, that does happen from time to time. These insurance companies, these auto insurance companies, have to settle the claim on a pro rata basis. In other words, they each owe 50-50. They have 50-50 responsibility in most cases. So again, if you're transferring from one auto insurance company to the other, the effective date is so important. You must tell your old company when your new policy started and cancel your old auto insurance policy on that particular date. That way, if you do, in fact, whether you change companies or not, the DMV may send you a card in the mail to verify the information that's being presented to them. In other words, when you change companies, don't be surprised if you receive something in the mail, a card in the mail, asking to verify the information they're receiving, because your previous auto insurance carrier is going to report to the DMV that you canceled the policy, and your new company is going to report that you have new auto insurance. They want to make sure this information is accurate. Okay? Why do I say that? Because you may change your mind on the new company and stay with the existing company, but the existing company has already reported that you changed companies. So they want to verify this information is, in fact, accurate. The only thing you need to do is just fill out the card with your new insurance company name and also the policy number and the effective date. That's it. And just send it back in. All right? That's real easy to do. All right? For more information, call me. My name is Donald Marquez. You're tuned into Your Insurance Connection. I've been doing this for a long time, and I love what I do. Every Tuesday morning from 9:30 to 10 o'clock right here at KCEP 88.1. For more information, call me at 702-236-2624, 702-236-2624. My location is 2300 West Sahara, right in the beautiful U.S. Bank building. I'm located on the 8th floor, and I work by appointment only. Again, 702-236-2624. KCP wants me to announce that they have a membership drive going on right now, so get in touch with KCP. They have these different membership levels, so be a part of KCP growth and sponsorship, and be a member right here at 88.1, the People Station, because they support you, support them. This company is 88.1 has been around for over 40 years in the community. Can you imagine not having 88.1? I mean, we turn our radios on and 88.1 is gone. Las Vegas would not be the same without this radio station. So please support KCEP 88.1 because it supports you 100%. It provides these talk shows, music, so much information. I've learned over the years from 88.1. They have been so instrumental with me, with my business, and with my efforts going back in the 80s. When I had my first business, I had an art gallery back in the 80s, and listening to 88.1 gave me the valuable information to move forward with my business, get a business loan, open my business, and change careers just because of all the valuable information they've been broadcasting for many, many years right here, KCEP 88.1. So be a member today. Give them a call. Be a part of 88.1 growth and development, because, they give opportunities to DJs that wouldn't get opportunities anywhere else. So we have to support our station. This is a part of our community. It's been with us for a long time, and we want it to be around for a lot longer time So our children can talk about it decades and generations from now. 88.1, 200 years from now, they're still talking about KCEP 88.1. Again, that's good information on the auto. When you're changing companies, I said earlier, when you changing your liability coverages from one company to the next, you want to boost those coverages. Again, you want to carry the uninsured motors. A lot of policies I have reviewed do not carry the uninsured motors. For whatever reason, nobody wants to carry the uninsured motorist. Now, that protects you if someone hits your car with no insurance. It protects you and the passengers for bodily injury. All right? So you may have insurance on your job or health insurance on your job, but you have to understand the question on your health insurance when you do file a claim is this injury was a result of a car accident. All right? Was this injury a result of a car accident? The reason why they want to know that because they want to find out what insurance company has to pay first. All right? Because if the health insurance finds out you have auto insurance, and if a person hit you and they don't have any insurance or not enough insurance to cover you and the passengers for your injuries, you can utilize your uninsured motorist protection on your auto insurance policy. Very good information. I come on the air every single week to tell you all this good information. No one else does this but me. All right? No one else does this but me, but you have to understand this information only comes up because it's what I love to do. I come on the air to tell you about insurance. I tell you about your homeowner's insurance. I tell you about your auto insurance, your life insurance, because I love what I do. And when a person loves what they do, I'm going to be doing this for a very long time. I was born and raised in Las Vegas, and it's my give back to the community to inform my listeners on their insurance products because it's not as easy as most people think. Now, when you get your auto insurance policy in the mail, of course, you're just looking for how much money per month I have to pay. But if something happens, you want to make sure you're covered. Now, we all drive. We must have this auto insurance coverages. So understand what you're paying for. Most people, I ask them, what kind of coverages you have on your auto insurance? I have full coverage. Well, that doesn't tell me a whole lot. It just tells me you have collision and comprehensive. But it's a lot more to that. Do you have rental car? Do you have medical? Do you have windshield protection? Do you have roadside assistance? All that's included within an auto insurance policy. Do you use your car for delivering pizzas and newspapers? All right. Do you use your car for an occupation? In other words, do you use your car for Uber? So all this information, you as an insurance agent, all these questions must be asked. Because if you're using your car for a business, and you have a claim, you could be denied claims if you didn't tell your auto insurance company what you was using your car for business purposes. For more information, my name is Donald Marquez. You tune into Your Insurance Connection every Tuesday right here at KCEP 88.1. Give me a call at 702-236-2624, 702-236-2624. Book an appointment today. Stay tuned because Greg DeVille is up next. He's going to